It is nature's symphony, and it is here at Saluda Shoals Park. A carefully choreographed dance that blends nature and man, combining two worlds in a melody of wonder and life. It is the laughter of a child who discovers something new, the solitude of a man, a kayak and the river. Friends reveling in the quiet simplicity of a shady forest path. A first bloom. A first step. A first love. It is Saluda Shoals Park. And here, removed from the hustle and bustle of city sounds, a murmur drips through the woods. It grows into a chorus and rises to dance with the rhythmic swell of a river's song. And then from nature's crescendo, a dream is awakened. It is nature's theater, and it is here at Saluda Shoals Park. Imagine a place of performance where all who gather will delight in the arts in a way never before experienced. A stage that looks as if it were born of the forest itself. A place where the stars light the stage and the trees are the canopy. Where man and nature perform in perfect concert. Blending music, drama, and dance in a beautiful natural harmony. The first jeté, the first song, the first of its kind. It is nature's theater. The time has come to set the stage. The curtain rises. Won't you join in the chorus that is nature's theater at Saluda Shoals Park?